I hope you guys are all having a magnificent day. Auto Care Secret here, and today we're going to break down the symptoms of a bad throttle body. But before we dive in, a huge thank you to Aldata for sponsoring today's video. Aldata provides online, step-by-step repair manuals that show you everything you need to safely diagnose and repair your vehicle at home. They offer over 30,000 vehicle-specific repair manuals covering models from 1980 to all the way to 2022 organized by your car's exact make, model, and engine. You'll get access to trouble codes, service tables, TSBS, electrical diagrams, specifications, maintenance schedules, and so much more. So if you want to save money on repairs and become a real dyer, check out the link in the description below. Now let's get into it. The throttle body is responsible for opening up when you press the gas pedal, allowing air to enter the engine. Think of it as the mouth of your engine. Most newer cars use an electronic throttle body, where the throttle plate is moved by a motor controlled by the ECU. Older vehicles use a cable-driven system, where a cable from the gas pedal physically rotates the plate. You can locate the throttle body by following the air intake tubing into the engine. Symptom number 1, check engine lights. The ECU constantly monitors throttle body performance. If it detects an issue, whether it's airflow, position, or motor response, it will trigger a check engine light. Common trouble codes for throttle body issues may appear during a scan. Symptom number 2, hesitation when accelerating. If your car hesitates when you press the gas, the throttle body motor may be wearing out. A weak motor means the throttle plate opens slower than it should. In other cases, dirt and carbon buildup can cause the plate to stick, delaying airflow. Symptom number 3, rough idle. During the early stages of throttle body failure, you'll notice the car shaking while stopped. This happens because dirt accumulates around the throttle plate, reducing the airflow needed for a smooth idle. This throws off the air-fuel mixture, which can even lead to misfires. Once the ECU detects this, it may slightly open the plate to compensate, causing your idle RPM to stay above 1,000 when parked or stopped. Symptom number 4, engine stalling. If your car stalls at stop signs, red lights, or while parked, a dirty throttle plate could be the cause. When the edges are heavily gunked up, not enough air gets through at idle, and the engine simply shuts off. It typically doesn't stall while moving because the throttle plate opens wider during driving. Symptom number 5, limp mode. If the ECU determines the throttle body is unreliable, it will put the vehicle into limp mode. This is a safety feature that limits RPMs and speed, usually locking the vehicle into second or third gear to protect the engine. Symptom number 6, crank, but no start. This one has happened to me personally. The engine cranked normally, but wouldn't start. After diagnosing, I found the throttle plate was so dirty it was stuck closed, completely blocking airflow. Without the correct air-fuel ratio, combustion can't happen, and the engine won't start. I was able to fix it by cleaning the throttle body using carburetor cleaner and a toothbrush. Eyelines. Leave a link to the cleaner in the description below.